Welcome back, yogis. My name is stephenal. Thank you so much for joining us for the very last day of our 14-day yoga at home challenge. Congratulations for making it this far. Up until now, every class we've done has been very physical, and we've done a lot of movements and a lot of strength building. Yoga is about balance. So today we're going to have a little bit of a more restorative, more yin, relaxing sort of practice. I thought it would be a great idea to come back to the space where we first originally started this challenge in day one. I'll put the link up to day one right here. If you're feeling like doing something a bit more energetic, you're welcome to take this class instead. If you're not already, or if you're new to this channel, make sure you like and subscribe. And without further ado, let's grab our mats and let's get started. So today we'll start our practice lying down on our backs in Shavasana. It just rained, so it's nice and cloudy out today. Let's close the eyes. Take a moment. And allow yourself to be exactly as you are in this shape. Letting go of any of the stress, any of the tension that you may be feeling. Anything that's weighing heavy or lingering in your mind, let it release. Let your spine be nice and supported by the earth below you here. If they're not already, let the eyelids become heavy until the eyes close. Start to observe the sounds around you. Begin to notice any tension in the body. Let it release. Starting from the crown of your head, feel the muscles in the eyebrows release and relax. The muscles in the face and the jaw, let them release. No tension in the pectorals, the shoulders, the arms. Allow the abdominals to relax. The tension in the hips, the quads, your legs, let them relax. Send that relaxing energy all the way down through the feet, the fingers, and the crown of the head. The whole body is relaxed and calm here. Now let's take the knees very slowly, walk them in. Your feet are hip width distance apart here. And let's take the knees and drop them to the left and to the right. Very gentle, very slow. Just loosening the muscles in the back, creating space in your spine. Bring your knees into the chest. Give yourself a squeeze. Start to draw little circles here to the right. Little circles to the left. squeeze your knees back into your chest. Beautiful. From this tabletop position, inhale to a cow pose. Lift the chest and drop the belly. Exhale to a cat pose, rounding the spine. Inhale to cow pose. Exhale to cat. Inhale to cow pose. And exhale to cat. Beautiful. So let's come back into the center. Take your right hand. Oh, birds. Take your right hand, reach your right arm up towards the sky, nice and high. Exhale, thread the needle. Take your right hand, bring it underneath your left hand, and then extend your left hand forward towards the front. Pause here for just a moment. Really releasing through the shoulders. If it's possible, perhaps you square your chest towards the ground. Place the left hand down and inhale your right hand high to the sky. Exhale back to a tabletop position. Inhale your left arm high to the sky. Exhale, thread the needle. Take your left hand, bring it underneath your right hand. Reach your right hand forward towards the front. Take a few moments here, relaxing breaths. No forcing here. Plant your right hand down and inhale your left arm to the sky. Exhale back to a tabletop position. Now child's pose, big toes to touch. Open your knees out wide. Extend your arms long and forward onto your mat. With this child's pose, we're going to remain nice and relaxed here, so no need to activate any muscles. Just allow the shape of your body to create space in the shoulders and chest. Start to shift your weight forward back to a tabletop position. Now let's have a seat here. And we're going to scoot to the top of the mat. And with little effort, we're going to lower down onto the back. Once on your back, take your right ankle, cross your right ankle over your left knee. Supine figure 4. Take your right hand and encourage your right knee open just a bit. If that feels good, stay right here. If you want a little bit more, just reach down, grab a hold of the left leg, and draw the left leg in close. You should feel this stretch on the outside of your right glute here. Just a couple moments. Steady, calm, releasing breaths. Bring your knees back into your chest. Place your right foot down. Cross your left ankle over your right knee. Take your left hand onto your left thigh and start to gently open here. Option to stay or option to reach down. Grab a hold of the right leg and draw the right leg in close towards your body. Bring both knees into your chest. Happy baby pose. Reach down, grab a hold of your ankles. Start to draw the knees to the outsides of your ribs. Option to gently sway your body side to side. Maybe draw some circles with your ankles. Beautiful. Now bring your knees into your chest, your forehead into your knees, ball pose. Squeeze everything tight. Take a deep breath in. And exhale to final Shavasana release. Extend the legs out long. Once again, take a moment for yourself. Feel proud, congratulate yourself for completing this challenge. Think of all the obstacles you've overcome and how this strength can translate to overcoming obstacles outside of these walls. Facing the challenges we face with the same calm mindset that we carry in our yoga practice. I'll mind the time for the final few moments, and I'll give you a signal when we're ready to arise from our Shavasana. Slowly start to deepen your breath. Bring life into the fingers and toes. Extend the arms above your head. Roll on over to your favorite side. Come back to a comfortable seat. Bring your hands into the center of your body. Your thumbs into the third eye center. Take one more breath in. And exhale to bow forward to seal in our time in practice. Namaste. Congratulations, yogis. You just completed the 14-day yoga challenge. Thank you so much for sticking through it. You guys did a great job. Please let me know what you think in the comments down below. I have a couple ideas for the next thing I want to do. I'm thinking something like a meditation challenge. If you have any comments or feedback for me, leave them down below in the comment section. If you're not already, make sure you like and subscribe. If you want to leave a little donation for me, you totally can. That's completely optional. I'll leave my Venmo and my PayPal information down below, so if you want to contribute to that. Otherwise, you guys take care. Thank you once again for joining me in this challenge. You guys did an awesome job. Congratulations, and have a happy and safe day. Thank you.